Let's see how to create fancy borders in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, to create fancy borders, we can simply go ahead to place our border. Now, let's do that by clicking on the Design tab. Now, click on Page Borders, and that will open up this window where you can edit your page border. So for example, we want to create a box border around our document. Here, you can change the art of the page border to make it a bit fancier. So as you can see, you have a lot of choices for your art or design that you want to apply to your page border. You can also change the style of your border. So you'll see here that you have a variety of different lines if you want to. Now let's go ahead and insert one of these lines into our document. I'll click OK. And as you can see, we now have a fancy border around our Word document. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.